Hi guys, it's me and my sister right there. Hey, say hi.
Okay, V, it's your turn.
She's right there.
In the hot seat. The question
You're not gonna see her face.
is,
This
our
is
Los Angeles
my.
steakhouse was burnt down by a project survey.
Show my
We
face.
went to
I'm not
investigate
sure if
the
she
rubble.
want to
What
show
is
her
one of
face.
the items
Is she?
we found?
Make weird faces in cameras. You too. No? Yeah, whenever we take a photo,
Alright, V, you first.
and it's so weird. Okay, I'm gonna use my hands.
Oh.
Ah, stuck. So she's playing slime. She's fixing. She's yeah, and I think that's the milky slime. Mine is the rainbow slime. We had
Oh, Daniel, the ladies are right. Let's see if
a
you can
light
be right.
green ball, but it turned into yellow the next 2 days.
No,
Congratulations.
3 weeks.
No one
Yeah,
has
like
spin the
3
wheel.
weeks.
So for a lot of these questions, I
Yeah,
wasn't
4
actually born yet.
weeks.
Into the Spy Ninjas. But I did do my Spy Ninja research.
Then it just
Question
turned
for you guys.
yellow.
When V was stuck in an escape room,
And that's good
two
because we
hackers showed up.
have
She was
a
eavesdropping
green
on their
already, we have a
conversation.
blue,
They were speaking
red,
a different
green,
language. What
and now
language were they
yellow.
speaking?
It's supposed to be a light
Oh,
green.
I
Turned
remember.
to yellow.
Daniel, you were there in that escape room. You should know.
Yeah, but I don't speak it.
Oh, so perfect.
Now you know it wasn't English.
Daniel, what did you write?
I wrote.
Oh.
Tagalog. I wrote Tagalog. And I wrote a little bonus point from the Philippines. I told you.
This slime is so
I
beautiful.
told you the
Guys,
spelling would be
you
wrong.
hear that noise and talking? We're watching a video, but we're also making a video.
Daniel, looks like you're
We're watching
spinning
a
that
video,
wheel again.
and we're making a video.
I was on the right track.
Good job.
And yesterday,
Also, hello.
we got
Spy Ninjas
some-
from the Philippines. Kumusta? Kumusta?
All right, here we
What?
go.
what are they saying? Monica. What are they trying to say? From the Philippines.
To go with that incredible hairdo, you need a little egg.
Is that just how they say it in English?
Okay,
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm gonna take this head. I'm gonna smash it.
Oh, it's gonna hurt. 3, 2,
Oh,
1.
It's so sticky still.
It's dripping. It's in your mouth.
Don't put your tongue out.
You shouldn't eat raw eggs, guys.
It's gonna stay there the rest of the challenge,
Are you
Daniel.
serious?
Daniel, I think we should post this picture on your Instagram. CWC Daniel?
Yeah, that's it. Guys, don't follow me on there. Guys, it's my turn. You ruined my lie detector shirt. Look at this.
Sorry about that.
Anyway, my question is, in my first appearance on Chad's channel, when I was a lie detector guy, I was wearing this white shirt, yes, but what was the color of my pants?
My lie detector pants. People often forget about those. You got your answers locked in, everybody?
Locked in.
B, what is your answer?
Ready? Nobody can even read that. It says goose.
Goose.
She drew a picture of a snake. That doesn't count.
Come on, Daniel. Do you know cursive?
Nobody writes in cursive anymore. Haven't you ever heard of a typewriter?
Anyways, this is gray, okay? G-R-E-Y. Gray.
Gray, okay.
This is gray. Daniel's pants were gray.
No, this is gray.
Oh.
Spell it wrong.
Either an E or an
Oh,
A.
okay, great.
Great.
Oh, you know what, guys? You're all wrong. They were blue.
What?
No, they
No,
weren't.
they're not. No.
Here.
They were gray, Daniel.
Show a clip right now. Check this out. See that, Daniel? They're gray right there.
Oh, I guess.
You know, Daniel, I think we should make you spin. So.
Yeah.
No more punishments.
Ben, you got it wrong. Last year, I was trapped in a Project Circle laboratory. What was the scientific item that helped me escape?
I know my science. I'm ready.
Let's go with Regina.
Periodic table.
Ooh. Chad?
My answer is the periodic table.
Oh.
I even drew the hydrogen and the helium and the oxygen. This one's for Daniel, B.O. And see, afterwards I wrote Dan. B.O.
It's not the B, it's the egg you're smelling, Chad. All right, well, I wrote the same thing. Periodic
bunch of ninja gadgets to help us open an abandoned safe. What was the gadget that eventually opened up that mystery safe?
I actually don't remember this. You guys always used to do ninja gadget unboxings. There's so many.
Chad, you have like over 200.
Thankfully, we did just find a few of the ninja gadgets on a mission this week. Great job, girls. While you guys are throwing out your answers, speaking of safes...
Ooh, Chad, I actually have a subscriber that suggests something. Here, look. It's from Fernanda Perez. They said the code is 96746 because it spells Zorgo.
That's really smart. Let's try it. 9, 6, 7, 4, 6.
Incorrect. The keypad is now disabled for 24 hours.
Oh, it didn't work, but that was a really good guess. Spy Ninjas, keep commenting down below if you think you know what the passcode to this safe is. We need to get this safe open because what's in here will stop Project Zorgo forever. Let's see those answers. V, what'd you get?
Got this.
Sledgehammer.
Ooh, I remember those S's.
Have you ever done one of these, Daniel?
I've tried. It's too difficult.
What do you think? Is she right or wrong?
I think she's wrong. I think I'm right.
Okay.
Okay, you ready for this?
Yes.
That's you, Chad.
That's me.
And this is the weapon you used to break open the safe.
I used an arrow. Wow.
No, it's that thing with the silver and it has like a sharp edge. I don't know what it's called. You know? You know what I'm talking about?
Yes, I
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
I like the creativity of the drawing.
Daniel.
Well, you're gonna like mine too then, Chad.
Ooh, all right.
Unless it's wrong.
Oh, wow. I like the three-dimensional on the safe.
The answer was the scorpion chain dart. Regina drew it.
Yes.
She didn't write it.
Well, you got it wrong completely. Just saying.
Congratulations, Regina. I really like your picture, Daniel. You get a 1/10 of a point for the picture.
All right, B, get to that wheel.
Go B. Hey, go ahead. Hey, go ahead.
It's kind of sticky.
Oh my gosh, I've actually never done this. Like, what do you do with it? Just drink it?
You're telling me you've never drank pickle juice, V?
No, I have not. Daniel, have you?
No.
Well, now you will.
Pickle juice, pickle juice.
BB9 was eating out of that pickle jar.
Ew, I don't want his germs.
Cooties.
Ew.
Okie dokie. How much pickle juice do you want, B?
15
I guess we'll find
no,
out.
100
10,
milliliters.
no! Oh my god!
What happened?
Oh my goodness, look how much!
That's a lot. 100 milliliters.
Smells kind of good.
Ew.
Does not look good.
It looks like B235.
I'm gonna add some eggs. They gonna make
Ew,
it taste
no,
better.
no.
Drink, 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 drink. Come on, B. You got it, B. Come on, come on. Oh! Don't. You get, do it fast, do it fast. Do it fast. Chug it, chug it, chug it. Fast, fast, fast. Oh, gross.
Oh my gosh! Oh! That's so disgusting right now! Oh my gosh! Can I get some water?
Nope.
Not to drink the whole thing.
Whole thing. Come on. Come on, there's barely any left.
Okay. Oh gosh. Next question.
I don't know. I kind of like pickle juice. Regina?
Too. She's a little dramatic.
Yeah.
Drama queen.
I never had it. I'm never going to now.
Next question. Daniel, when you had a safe house, you left your laptop in there for Chad and B.
Yeah, so?
What was the password to that laptop?
That was so long ago.
There was a laptop?
That's a great question, Regina.
Do you remember this laptop?
Yes.
This is Daniel's laptop. Of course he would remember the password.
He's trying something. That means he doesn't know the answer.
You guys know me so well, don't you?
Chad, since you took so long, why don't you show your masterpiece?
Here's Daniel.
Wow!
Here's his laptop. And he's saying, my password is PC1. And the laptop is saying, invalid.
Hey, that's pretty good.
You think I look like a homeless man?
What's your answer, Daniel?
I'm not 100% sure.
Wait, it's your
But
password.
it was so long ago. But it was something like this.
one who actually entered it to unlock it. It's me!
I forgot my own password. But I always say, give me a matcha green tea. Why did I make it green tea matcha? You sure?
Hey, wait a second, guys. Did you not notice the part at the bottom of my picture where the laptop said invalid? It's green tea matcha. How did you guys miss that?
I think you should spin the wheel, Chen.
Yeah, maybe Chad should do
A little sneaky sneak right here. You gotta spin the wheel.
Fine. Come on, come on.
Bye bye.